Eto na yung smartwatch na waterproof talaga na legit at hindi masisira basta-basta dahil Aulon po yung brand nito. Alam naman natin, sobrang raming nagsisilabasan na smartwatch pero kalaunan ay nasisira agad. Pero itong si Aulon, napaka-quality, maganda. Worth 700 plus lang ay meron ka na po nito. 2 to 3 days ay marireceive mo na po agad ito. May free shipping ka na, may cash on deliver pa po ito. Sa bahay mo na bayaran. Function nito, 1.83-inch large screen, HD resolution, 240 by 280. Boardless design, screen is larger, field of view is better, operation is more convenient, high definition large screen display, Bluetooth calling app after connecting, rich applications, voice assistant, weather calculator, calendar, stopwatch, women's health reminder, and etc. Practical functions, IP68 waterproof, heart rate, multi-sport mode, etc. More features, Bluetooth calls, call records, frequently used contacts, calls, heart rate, monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep monitoring, at napakakapal po ng bubble wrap nito, zip na makakarating